Today we're back in Loomian Legacy Part 6, and I'm a little sick, my throat hurts, but it's fine. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to add your or a watch to your arm without a tool, and I actually didn't know how to do this. Credits to Cry for this. He's in my Discord server, he's admin, and yeah. So to do this, you wanna add a dummy. Okay, guess it did not. Okay, let me see why it's doing. Okay, this is a little weird. Let me try again. Alright guys, so I just rejoined Studio. So you wanna click on plugin at the top, build rig, block rig, and there you go. So once you get your dummy, also if your game is R6, do this. R6 block rig, but mine is R15, and you can see that right here. But yeah. Now you wanna find the watch that you like, or just build one. I recommend building one, but like I'm just gonna take one because I'm really bad at building. So yeah, just find one that you like, or just build one. I'll do this one. I'll take the handle and take the script out, delete the tool, and I think it's locked. Let me just unlock it. There we go. Okay. So first you want to position it where you want your watch to be. I'm gonna do it here. Like that. I'll do it like this. Position it, of course. And so I like mine like this. Maybe make this a little smaller. There. Position it where you want it. Alright, that's how I want it. Rename the watch to just watch. And now open the dummy with this little arrow. Select the arm you want it on. I recommend right lower arm or left lower arm, which is right here. Now I'm gonna do right lower arm since we're already there. So select it, hold, or actually let's get the plugin first. So I'm gonna leave this plugin in the description. It's called Moon Animator, and then it will give you all 4 of these things. But yeah, so click on the right lower arm, or first go to parts, and then click on the watch. See, it will say base part and target part, join in place, and then you get this weld. Put it in starter character script. Name it to watch weld. Move the watch inside starter character scripts. Add a script, and then do local charge of the script parent. Local weld is equal to script parent the watch weld. Weld dot parent is equal to char dot right lower arm. Change this to like whatever you want it, wherever you want it. 0 is equal to same thing. Same thing, and then weld the part 1 is equal to script parent dot watch. I spelled this wrong. Weld. Now if we test, oh yeah, make sure the watch is not anchored and can collide is equal to false. So both anchored and can collide are equal to false. And let's see if this works. Let me just disable the intro. I'm not gonna wait that long. Visible, and let's see. Okay. So let's see. There we go. Now the watch is on our arm. and it moves with us. And yeah. So now we can honestly probably do let's do the storyline. Alright, so enable this and the frame again and close those. You wanna go all the way down here. And how do we want this? Can't we just move that? Let me see. Let me see if this works real quick. I want to see if it keeps doing the cutscene, because in me, like, see, once you press new game, it like plays some cutscenes. So let's do that. And let's see. I'm gonna mute the music for you guys. Alright, you guys can right here already. Okay. So if we're building a new game, we press yes. Let's see. It stops. Okay. Why does it stop? Does the fade function have anything? Well, then we could just do. Honestly, I'm gonna make another function because they have like different cutscenes. Let's copy these camera parts to. We'll fix that. Camera parts 2. Next plot to serious. Count local count 2 is equal to 0. 2, 2, and 2. 2. And then let me see. Okay, local next spot to insert. That's fine. Now we want to duplicate the camera parts, put them in workspace, name them to camera parts 2. Move the camera parts where you want the other cutscenes to play. I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna make an example part to see if it's really working. So, oops. So yeah, and then you wanna move them back in here, and then you just want to keep calling the function. I want to see if this works. This is just something. Let's see if this works. So everything is working. The train. We might need to make the train a little bigger, but I don't know. Okay, so see. Okay, and this works, of course. Let's see if the cutscene in the background plays. Okay. New game. Yes. And let's see. There we go. There we go. Oh, of course, it's not gonna take that long to go there, but yeah. So after you wanna take that, you wanna do camera, that camera subject is equal to player. The camera type is equal to custom. Is equal to enum. Camera type dot custom is equal to enum. Yeah, that should work. Camera subject. Yeah, let me test this out one more time and see if everything works fine. Okay, so we're in. Here's the new game. We press yes. Let me see if it brings back the character, because if it does, we need to add a wait. And it doesn't yet. It should once all of the look, you'll see. I don't really know how to explain it. There we go. And now we're in the game. So you can call this function more if you want it to be longer, like the cutscenes. And I actually want it to be longer. So like a bit longer, like that. Okay. Maybe one more, and then yeah. So you can keep adding more cameras, of course. Like in both of these, just name them like Cam 5, so on. But yeah, this is just an example part, so we can delete that. I really actually we can make the things on top of here. Let me actually just get an example from Google on how the GUI looks though. Loomian Legacy, like on top. Okay, so I just found one. Alright, so I'll do it on Photopea for you guys, so it's free. But yeah, so let's get right into it. Alright, so this is how the GUI looks at the top, as you can see. So we're gonna be doing these, but first I think I'm gonna do settings, because the other ones you kind of have to do like so later on. But so if you guys can see my Photopea or my browser here, I searched up Photopea. This is what you want to do, and it should be this one right here. And just scroll down, press new project. What I usually do is just 500. You can do this on what's it called, Roblox Studio 2 with the GUIs, but I like doing it here. So oof, this doesn't have a round one, so I'm probably gonna have to do this. See, Photoshop has like a round one of these, but like only this one only has circle and rectangle. Let's see. I guess to do like this, but I'm probably gonna do it in Photoshop so it can be better. But like, if you guys wanna do it here, just copy what I do in Photoshop, because it's not that different, Photopea and Photoshop. So yeah, I'm gonna do it in Photoshop real quick. So let me just open it. Alright, so we're in Photoshop. You wanna go at the top, press File, New, do 500 by 500, and yeah, there we go. Now we're here. So if you can't see right here, it has where is it again? Let me find it right here. Wait, actually, does Photoshop have that? I mean Photopea? Yeah, it doesn't. I'm checking right now. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So we want to go back here though, and as you can see, it's doing this. So I'm gonna do settings first. So settings is like definitely not that color. It's a kind of purplish thing. I don't know. So we're gonna change it right here. Pick the color that we want. Nah. Let's do something else. I guess that looks good. This might be too big though. Okay, yeah, I kinda messed up. That's not how we want it. So let's try again. It's kind of small. I mean, it's kind of like a circle. I mean, actually, no. No. Undo. It's like that. Something like that. And I pick the color. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And we can even resize it if we want. So if they click this, but yeah, we're gonna add some more things, like the settings icon. So let me actually get one, and I'll leave it in the description or in my Discord server. I already have one. So yeah, let me just find one real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so if I actually just found one, and if you guys want it, I'm gonna link in my Discord server. So let me just bring it in like that, and so what you want to do is create a clipping mask. Create a clipping mask right here. And now what this basically did, it only shows it here. So how they have it is like this, and then they lower the opacity, and they have it something like that. It's not the best, but yeah, they have it something like that. I'm gonna rotate it a little. Yeah, I think they have it something like that, and I think I'm done with the settings. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but go to file at the top. This is how I do it. Go to file at the top, export, like hover your mouse, and then it should show like another tab. Click export as PNG, and find where you want to download it, and then first you're gonna go back to yeah. Let me actually resize this real quick. Sorry. And I'll show you guys how to add the GUI right now. So once you do that, you want to actually do this and disable this. Oh yeah, you go in here, and this is what you want to do. So make the player list scroller equal to false. And now, once you're in here, script dot parent player list dot scroller dot visible is equal to true. Okay, so this is basically make it. Actually, we should do it down here because this is where it actually wait. No. Right here. Okay. And that will basically make it show after, or like when you're in the game. So now what you want to do is to add the GUI, you want to make another screen GUI, and you want to name it to main GUI. This is basically our main. I'm gonna ignore GUI inset, and I'm gonna add first an image label, order, and then go down to the go down on the properties, find image, add image, choose file, and then find the thing you downloaded or like what you made in Photoshop. And I'm gonna name it settings btn. Okay, looks like I can't do that, so I'm gonna do settings button. So okay, I guess that doesn't work either. There we go. Okay. So this is apparently not working. Let me try again. Settings. Create. Okay. Looks like it's not working. I'm gonna restart my studio and see if it works. Okay, so I restart my studio, and then I saved it, of course. So do the same thing, add the thing, settings, setting. There we go. But now you want to resize it how you like it. So like, definitely not like that. Probably just make it smaller. Less like that. Probably like this. Make it a little bigger. But yeah, once you do that, I'm definitely gonna do this first. The auto scale light plugin. I'll leave this in the description. So it's going to show a tab once you press this blue one. Click on this. Do scale on both position and scale. And do settings. But no, they can't really click it. So you want to add a text button. Put it inside of there. And then position it in the middle. There you go. So you wanna like scale it, basically covering the whole thing, so they can click on it. But then this will be visible. So background transparency and make text like that. Text transparency. So yeah. Press BTN. So there we go. Now they can actually click on it. See, you can see the cursor changing. Then you want to add a local script in here. And same goes with these like icons. We want to make them show once we're in the game. But yeah. Let me actually, yeah. So how can we do that? Basically Loomian watch animation. Let me actually just see an example of it in YouTube real quick. Okay, guys, so I just saw the animation of the watch. Once you press settings, it's not that hard. We just need the images, of course. So well, first let's do script parent. Click connect function. Wait, we could have actually done an image button, but it's fine. We already did this. So after that, so basically, well, once you click it again, okay. First off, we need like a we need to make a watch basically, and how can we make that watch? Probably Photoshop, to be honest. So let's go back Photoshop. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna make the watch very alike. I'm just gonna group these. But yeah, I'm gonna. Can you even rename these? I don't think you can. But yeah, once you oh, you can like that. Alright, I'm gonna name it settings icon. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make it a like theirs, if you know what I mean. But yeah. So once again, you wanna take that roundify thing, make it pretty big, like that. That's probably a good size. That's the middle. Make it pink, because the inside of it, no, it's like a something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then they have like a texture. I could do that. Lines, texture. Alright, so I just found one right here, as you could see right there. So that's the one we're gonna be doing. And if you guys want that, you have to join the Discord, of course. But yeah, let me get it real quick and just add it to Photoshop. Rotate it. Oh, that looks so trippy. Create clipping mask. And there we go. But then we need to lower the opacity. Gosh, that was so trippy. Alright, like this. This is my texture for the lines. Not looking bad so far. Wait, for the white outline, can't we just add a stroke? The big stroke, like that, yeah. I do white. It's not looking bad. I'm gonna add like a nice gray background so I can see it properly. There you go. Now it looks like that. And then they have like these blue buttons on the side of them. So we can add that. Let me actually find out how to do that first. That's actually pretty easy. Maybe we can use the lasso tool probably. We put it under. Let me see. Yeah, probably under, and then just like, we need to be careful with this. Like that. And instead of like that, we need to make a blue. Just resize it like that. It looks a little weird, but this is the best I can do. Move it there, and you use this again. Create a clipping mask for these. And this one. And there we go. And then they have like some buttons here. Like that over here. You can't really see my cursor, so. But then we have to make the stroke bigger. That would be enough, for sure. So maybe even make these bigger now. Okay, that looks good. Now you wanna just make one up here. Use this one up here now. Actually, yeah, I'll just use this. Why not? And just make some small little circles with it, like that. Color it in. That looks a little bad. Let's redo that. I would like it like this, but then you make the stroke bigger. Which I don't really want to make it bigger. That wouldn't look too good, would it? I would like something like this. Maybe just resize it, to be honest. A little bit more. And just move it. Oh, this is annoying. Okay, how do we just move it to its right position? Okay, I'm probably not gonna add these, but if you want to, I showed you how to. Now I want to remove the background and just do the same way I saved it. settings, frame, and then we go back to Roblox Studio, just like this. Okay. Now you want to add another image label. Move it down here. Do the same thing to add an image. Settings, frame. I'm just gonna name it cool. Okay. Background transparency to 1. It doesn't look too bad. Resize it. There we go. Move it through the middle. Like that. Settings, frame. Okay. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. And this video is a bit long, but show you guys how to tween it first. Okay. Well, let me look at the animation one last time. To see how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely not hard. You just need it to okay, so alright, so the settings icon like tweens like over here, but this tweens like down or like up. So first, I'm gonna honestly add honestly, I don't think we're gonna have time for a lot, but in the next episode, I'll show you guys how to complete the settings frame for sure, and then probably do a storyline because then we can make the other buttons. But yeah. So let me just show you guys how to tween it up real quick. So just change the position. Definitely not that way. 1, yes, that way. So 2 is fine. Okay. And I'll show you guys how to make like the bounce animation comes up. If you guys play the game, you should see it. Basically, now we could do sharp apparent settings frame. Frame position, U2 on you. And just copy the current position. Except we have to change some things to 0.5. And let's test if the I think I disabled the thing. Let me check. Yeah, but let's see if it works. There you go. But let me just enable this to see if like the player list will actually show. Because we made it to show after we're in the game, so as you can see it doesn't show. Let's see, let's test it out. Let's see. Okay. So everything is working. And there's no errors. This is like something wrong with my Wi-Fi, but yeah, so now we still can't see it because we're in the intro. If we press yes, there we go, now it shows. Yeah, let's wait for these cutscenes to finish and see if it brings us back to a player. And the cutscenes look a little bad because like we don't even have a map yet. But, I can build one, of course, on video, and there we go. And our watch. And then if we click this, as you can see, it tweens up like this. And then the settings icon like tweens here, and then like it fades out, and like the background. You might need to make it separate parts, but yeah, just save your Photoshop file because we might need it again. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like, I'll a ton, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.